Brandon.
I caught this huge toad underneath the tent, and it just peed on me a second ago. I'm gonna put it down and see what it does. I'm gonna go under the raft. How do you get the other lizard? I think it's on my back. Something. I don't know where the other lizard is. I'm gonna see if it goes in the water. Hey Brandon, is the other lizard on me? Oh, on the water. The lizard on my back. Check, it's on my back.
There goes your toady.
Yeah, the lizard is on your back, Danny. Everyone crawling in my face.
It's on your left shoulder.
Crawling with me. This one's
Inside your sleeve?
Stop, Brandon. Take that out now. Take that out now. It's in your shirt, Danny. Grab it now. Grab it now. Where is it? Look. It's inside your shirt. Right there. Look. Put it in your shirt.
Keep back out.
There's one up the sleeve. Get it, Danny. Be a man. I don't know where it went. I don't feel it. That means it's assimilated into your body. You've become one with the lizard. It's right there. I got it. I got it. I don't got it. There, I got it. Let's put one in your shirt, Brandon.
Blue belly and big belly.
Here's pig belly. Let's see if they swim. No. Here's blue belly.
Maybe let him go earlier and he came back to us. Get off me.
Can they swim?
No.
Scared, Danny. Get them away from your fingertips. No, stop. They're like little monkeys. It's a bittersweet symphony that's life. This is so awesome. Brandon, let me put it in your shirt. No. I'm not that stupid. Don't touch it. I'm gonna let it go.
Bye-bye, big belly.
No, that one's big belly.
Oh, goodbye, blue belly.
Put it right there. Don't put it near the water. Don't catch it. I could catch it. It's really easy. Friend, don't catch it. That one's too big. Get closer to it. Put it in your face, Brandon. I'm not gonna put it on my face. Why, are you scared? No. Yes or no? I'll put this one on my face. Put it on your face then. Go on, videotape and put it in
Watch out, watch out, he's trying to go under my foot.
Don't touch it, Brandon. On your other shoulder.
He's like, save me, save me, save me.
He's gonna put it on his face, Mom. No, on my head. It's
gonna be a new lizard flu.
Oh, is it?
Under your foot? No, it's not. New lizard flu.
Biggest pandemic next to the N1H1 virus.
Yep. Lizard virus. Started from Danny right here on tape.
What brains? Darn it.
Where's the other one?
Then you have to let it assimilate into your body, become one with the lizard.
Say bye-bye.
Hi, Mom.
Goshtan desu ka?
Here's our camp.
And we found that huge toad under our tent. What are you doing?
You're holding on to each other.
Let him go.
Say goodbye to them, then.
It's enough animal cruelty for today. I haven't held this one yet.
Let it crawl down my leg.
Why, weirdo?
Let's see where it went now.
He doesn't want to leave now. He loves me.
Say bye.